First, we will see what is notation 1. In notation 1, we call the amplifier in this format: sampling type followed by mixing type. Sampling type network is the output side, mixing type network is at the input side. So it is just like output input format we'll be following. So first I will write what is the sampling network type. Second, followed by that I'll be write what is the mixing type. So sampling network can be voltage or current. I can sample voltage or current, and mixing can be series or shunt. So with that you can name 4 combinations. So sampling network, I can sample either voltage or current from the output. I can mix at the input side using series or shunt configuration. So now to 4 variables. So how many possible combinations you will have? You have 4 possible combinations. So first one is voltage, series, voltage, shunt, current, series, current, shunt. So that is what is given here. Is the first notation clear for everyone? How the amplifiers are named based on sampling type, mixing type. So sampling type, it is available at the output side. So this, you can also call this notation as, I'll be writing it as output hyphen input type. So this is the notation I'll be following. So output means sampling network, input means mixing network. Sampling network, I'm going to sample voltage or current. Mixing, I'm going to mix it in series or shunt. So I will have 4 possible names of the amplifiers: voltage series, voltage shunt, current series, current shunt. So the moment if they say voltage series feedback means, what should come to your mind? My output side, I'm going to sample my voltage and I'm going to mix at the input side using a series mixing configuration. That is how you should be able to decode when a feedback name is given. If they say current shunt feedback, at the output side, I'm going to take up current. At the input side, I'm going to have a shunt mixing. Is this notation 1 clear, or anybody is having confusion? This topic is very, very important. Unless you understand this naming of the feedback amplifiers, you will not follow anything what is going to follow after this. So is it clear, or should I repeat? I need feedback from you. Is this notation 1 clear to everyone? How to name the feedback amplifiers based on sampling type, mixing type notation? Is it clear?
Yes,
If okay, I think this is very straightforward. And notation 2, you see, it is completely the reverse of